S
P
O O K. Bye. Hello guys, these are all the characters from Spooky Fridges. If you've ever watched the show, it's on Don's Toy Time Tonight show for Spooky Fridges. There's all episodes. Now, some of these shows might come late, but you can find it on YouTube. Now, let's go through all the characters. Hello, my name is Fridge Man. You might know me from the start of the show when I do the intro. Plus, you might know me from my YouTube video where I play on YouTube and get rich. Let's move on to the next.
Hey guys, I am a daddy girl.
She's my daughter. My name's Aaron.
Yeah, my video came in late. My video might come in late, so you might not see it before this. But yeah, I am Ella Baby. Next one.
You guys know me. I'm Freezer, and I am in some of the videos, like that McDonald's video. Now that video might come late, but I am in the YouTube video where I came up with the idea of Rich Man getting rich by YouTube. I am also in the waiter video, you know, when I go to the restaurant. I am also in that video. You can find me there. Hello, I am Aaron. You can find me in the video of where Frigidly lost her eye. She lost her eye because of me kind of flipping it out. Yeah, wasn't nice, was it? No, I'm sorry. But on to the next. So yes, it's me, Frigidly. You can see me from the same video my brother was talking about, Aaron. And you can also see me in the video that we went to the restaurant with. My voice might sound different because we are all acted from a person, but we'll get to him at the end. Hello, I'm the restaurant. You can find me on the episode of the place where they all go to the restaurant. Hello, I am actress. You cannot find me. I was a made-up character that the person that directed it. I was made up, but since I'm an actor, I act everybody. Let's hear it for the big one. Hey guys, I am the one who directed it all. Yes, I'm Adonis from Adonis Toy Time. I don't know if you knew that, but yes. One day, there was this old clay that I never played with for like 3 months, and then my brother started using it and made these, figures for Japan. Hey. And I do all the voices of them, except on it. My phone does that all the time. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
Now, on episode 1, you know that Frigidly and Fridge Man sound different. That's because they were directed by or voiced by my brother. Apparently, he doesn't want to do it anymore, but we'll probably figure out how he gets back on. If you like those voices. So yeah, my brother found some old clay and made these characters, and that's how Spooky Fridges was created. And that's it for Spooky Fridges. Bye, guys.